Everyone. In this video, I will show you how can we capture the screen and take screenshot using Python. I'm on my VS Code and the very first thing which we need to do is we need to import the required packages. So let's start by importing PyAuto GUI. So if you're not having it on your machine, then what you can do is you can simply say pip install and PyAuto GUI. So it will go ahead and install this particular package for you. For me, it is already installed, so I'm not going to do it again. Next, I need is timer. So I want to capture the screenshot after certain seconds. So that's the reason I am importing time. And next thing is we need to start writing the code for capturing the screen. So for that, we can take a variable name image and then we'll call screenshot function. And whatever the output of it, we will go ahead and save it. So here you can provide name img.jpg, and one thing which is missing is we need to capture it after certain seconds, right? So let's go ahead and add the timer here. So time.sleep, and here I will say capture it after 5 seconds. Okay, so or let's make it as 10 seconds so that we will get enough time to change our screen. I will go ahead and start it. So it is in a process of capturing. Okay, so it is done, and here we can see the image file is created, and this is how it looks. So this is what it has captured. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.